I don't know if Disney's gonna ding me for monetization. Guess what's in this box? Oh, happy day, monkeys. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're not new to the channel, then you know that I have a 2021 Harley Ultra Limited sitting at my dealer. Welcome to the world's loudest subdivision again. Anyway, I have here, I hope you like the dramatic, that was supposed to be Lion King. I'm an idiot. All right. Dramatic intro for my custom made, yeah, it's custom. I can't wait till that's like all together. I'll be like, yeah, the one custom part of this bike, it's the clutch cable. So this is a custom made by Barnett's. This is made to be like the old style. So it's technically a clutch cable for an older style bike, but the 21s have old school clutch cables. So this is a custom made, next day aired, yada 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 clutch cable from Barnett's. Fantastic people. Talked to a dude named Evan, and Evan sat on the phone with me until we figured this out. What's the throw, what's this? And we're 99.9% sure this is the one. I hope so, because this is, you know, it's not Barnett's fault when it's custom made. So this is a $100 cable that I paid a rush fee, that then I paid $100 to have it next day aired, because I want that bike back in my freaking hands. I'm so just tired of this crap. So a lot of you out there are going, let me get this straight. You had to pay, you had to pay $200 for a clutch cable that your dealer couldn't get, and they've had the bike for 2 months. Yep, that's what happened. Where the dealer failed me, I did it on my own. So I'm just stopping short of talking too much smack, because I want to stay friends with them, because they are in fact the only game in town for me. I'm not going 90 miles south to Peterson's, which by the way, I don't hear that great either. So here's my custom Barnett's clutch cable. A side note real quick, I want to say thank you to John. So we have a viewer out there, John, who is a salesperson at Daytona Harley. John is a hell of a good individual. We emailed back and forth. When he sort of later to the channel, he saw what was going on, and he was like, this ain't right, man. And so he emailed me, he goes, I work at a Harley dealership. What's the part number? What's this, what's that? I'll see what I can do. And he went and got his parts guys. He was confident they had it. And then when he found out the problem was not the extended top, it's the bottom, their guys were like, yeah, no, we're talking May at the earliest before we might be able to get one. So, and that's what happens is they say, the part will be available in May, and then May comes and it's not. So just I want to say tremendous thank you to John at Daytona Harley for trying so hard. Even though it didn't come through, that's fine. You know, just to put so much effort forth, I really appreciate it. So here's the clutch cable. Me and the missus are going to run down to Alligator Rally Harley and say, here's the part you couldn't get or wouldn't get, whatever. And hopefully this works. If not, it'll be another $200 to find out, you know, what was wrong with it, so we can get it done. So Barnett's looking forward to it too, to hear, because they said they sold a couple of these people with 21s, and their exact words were, we never heard back, so we guess that's fine. So I promised them I would let them know. Even though I did pay for this, by the way. Barnett didn't, you know, there's no relationship. I paid for this cable. I did promise at least let them know that you can use this setup. So we'll do that. Hit the road, and hopefully it works. So I'm not gonna do a video from the dealership, because I don't do that stuff. But I'll hopefully be checking in on a video, say tomorrow or the day after, on my Limited with the bars and everything installed. So take care of each other out there. We'll talk soon. Bye.